Hello everyone and welcome to my first ever video. Now I have a Rubik's Cube here and the whole point of this video is to solve the Rubik's Cube before I even start moving and then win the race. The rules are I can start once Lakitu starts saying 3. So let's get ready here. Let's take a look at the cube. Let's get a little bit of a head start. Okay, there we go. Okay, and I gotta be fast with this so that I don't disconnect. Okay? Come on. Come on, now let's go forward. Okay. We didn't disconnect. Okay, we started from 12th anyways. This is my first race on today. Oh, okay. This is problematic. My face cam is right where my items are. I'm gonna have to change that in a second. Okay? We gotta focus on getting these coins, but also while making a comeback. Come on, such an early shock. I mean, that's good for me, but I wish I could have dodged. Watch that banana. Okay, we got a mushroom on the ground. We're just gonna skip it. I don't know what other item we have because I can't see. I'm just as disadvantaged as you guys. Okay. Okay, we got a blue shell as well. Okay, wait, this is winnable. I actually can't believe this. Are we gonna do this first try? I'm just gonna use it. I kind of messed up. I don't know what other item I have. Someone shock, please. What do I have? I have a golden. I'm gonna use it. Okay, we got triple shrooms. Let's just go tight around this corner. I'm in first. I gotta get away from these guys. A super horn just went off behind me. Break drift. Woo! Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna go for double. I'm gonna go for single. Come on. Come on. No way! Are you kidding me? Bro! How did I get second? I cannot believe that. I almost did that challenge first try. That is crazy. Now, I did say I would be starting to solve once Lakitu says 3, 2, 1, but I might have to change that because it might be a bit too easy that way. So we might have to instead only start looking at the cube once she says 3, 2, 1. So let's do that. Start looking at the cube. But I don't want to get disconnected too often. Okay, wait. I don't know if you guys could see. Come on. No, come on. Ay. Well, I knew disconnections were gonna happen often, but maybe that's a better challenge. Maybe it's a better challenge to solve the Rubik's Cube once it's at 3, 2, 1. Or sorry, start looking at the cube when it says 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're on Toad Harbor. Now I'm covering the cube. I will not look at it until Lakitu says 3, and then I start looking, and then I gotta solve it as soon as possible. Okay. Okay, not a bad start to the solve. Now, I have to really focus on solving the cube. I have to like put Mario Kart at the back of my brain. This is what I have to do in this moment, and I'm messing up. And then I have to go. Oh, man. Disconnected again. This is the problem. It was becoming clear to me that disconnecting would be a huge problem, and it was taking up a ton of time. Now, what makes a good video? It is determination. So although I will be cutting out all of the times that I disconnected, you can stay tuned for the end where I'll have a short compilation of some of these times. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, we got DK Jungle. Now, for anyone wondering, this cube is the X-Men Tornado V3. I think it's the most expensive one of those, the Pioneer. I don't know if it's called Pioneer. Oh my gosh, we gotta go. Come on. Ugh. I chose DK Jungle, and it was picked. The reason why, there's a bullet extension. If we're starting from the very back, we should be okay. And we didn't disconnect this time. Number one, step one is complete. That's probably the hardest part of this challenge, is not getting disconnected. Next, we're gonna have to make sure we basically play a perfect race, apart from not getting disconnected and solving a Rubik's Cube before the game even starts. Okay, we got some good items here. Let's try to get coins. Okay, 1 coin is okay. We'll probably try to get 2 here. Let's see. 1, we got 1. Let's start using our mushrooms and our star. We'll chain into the set. We're not that far back. We're really not that far back. Oops, I didn't even get a trick. Okay, so we're going to chain the star into this set, and then we're going to use the bullet extension. So this should make us invincible in case there's a shock, so we should be able to use the bullet at the extension. I believe it's at the first, or is it the second goon? I don't know, we're going to do second. Okay, we're already caught up. I think we're passing too many people. But it kind of extended anyways. We're gonna hold these triples. That was terrible. Good thing I had 1 extra, 1 spare. Ooh, watch out for that piranha. I'm gonna go wide. Also, this guy has triple greens anyway, so it's okay if I go wide. Okay. Where's that other green shell? Oh my gosh. We are in 6th place. Come on. I know you're supposed to super bounce there, but I'm gonna be honest, I have not practiced that enough. Okay, we kind of need some luck on our hand. Woo! Oh my gosh! Oh, no! This piranha plant. Oh, let's rich on this guy. No! And we got bad acceleration because I chose a higher speed combo. Okay, well, it is what it is. We got 8th. At least we didn't get disconnected, and at least we didn't lose VR. Okay, there we go. I wasn't ready. Come on. Go, go, go. Don't get disconnected. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Okay. We weren't disconnected. I got a banana? Come on. I wasn't intentionally staying slow. I wasn't trying to bag. Come on. In a challenge like this where you have to get lucky, that is not a good start, but we got a bullet. I think I should just use it. We're so far behind. I wanted to use it in the bullet extension, of course, but it's not always possible, is it? Wow, okay. That yellow Yoshi, oh my gosh, that's not good. Give us another bullet. Nope. Let's use this shortcut. Let's get as many coins as possible. We're gonna have to get this double item set. We're gonna have to break, actually, because we need good items here. A star and a bullet. Perfect. I know exactly what to do. Okay, so we're just gonna wait. Oh, that's unfortunate. That was very unfortunate. Okay. I held the star a bit too long. Okay. That yellow Yoshi, though. Way too far ahead. We gotta hope for a bullet. Okay, that's good. But we can't use it in the extension because we have a gold. That's actually quite unfortunate. Good. Come on. Jeez, man. That yellow Yoshi and that Peach, they're just too far ahead. Wow, we got hit right at the line and we got We got fourth. The line, by the way. Okay, we got Donut Plains 3. This is probably one of the worst tracks to do this challenge on. Like, I'm pretty sure this is a very short track, and by the way, we gotta... Come on. Come on, we gotta go. Okay, we got the cube solved. Now we just gotta make sure to get coins and items. And I'm missing every single coin. And I didn't take any shortcuts, because I was focused on the coins. I'm missing all the coins. I'm missing every single coin. Oh my goodness. On top of it being luck-based, I do also need to, you know, not make many mistakes. So that's not a good start. We got a bullet. That's actually not bad. We're gonna use it in this shortcut. Good. Get the coins. Oh my gosh, we got a shock dodge. It's possible. Come on. What did I get hit by? Oh, it doesn't matter. The blue Yoshi was so far up ahead anyways. No. Wow. Kind of frustrating. Now, at this point in the challenge, I knew I had to establish some rules of how exactly I was going to solve the cube beforehand. It had to stay very tough, but it had to be something I was used to. So I decided to go with more of the World Cubing Association rules, which allows you to look at the cube beforehand. So as soon as I get in the game, I'm allowed to look at the cube, but only when it says go, I can start solving. And then once it's completely solved, I could start moving my character. Those are the rules. Okay, come on, come on. Okay, we're not disconnected. We're not disconnected. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on. I hope my excitement for not being disconnected shows how hard it was to not get disconnected. Sorry, to get... Yes, I can't even talk. I'm too excited about this. Oh my gosh. The frames are very bad right now. I hope you guys aren't seeing this. We got a bullet. No way. Let's use it. Okay. Get that coin. Okay. Perfect. Now we save this golden. This item set should be good too as well. I can't speak. Two as well, I said. Another bullet. Oh my gosh. If there is no other shock, we are chilling. Or if we dodge it. Okay. No! No way. No, no way. Come on. Nice. Okay. There's a blue shell. It's winnable. It's winnable. Good. We got a blooper. Are you kidding? Oh, shoot. Come on. No, 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 no. I did that shortcut so bad. No. It's over. Nope. 7th place. Well, that was a good attempt. We solved the cube in time. That's all that matters. Okay, if that... Good. That didn't get me disconnected. Comeback is definitely possible. Watch that green shell. Okay. Let's get this double item box. Let's hope we get a shock. A bullet. Wow. That was not the best bullet, but... yeah. I knew he was going to throw it. Okay, we're in fourth, though. We're in fourth. Oof. No way, man. It's okay. There's still a lap 3. Oh my gosh. Good attempt. Okay, we got a 40,000 VR person. Let's look at the cube. It's a bad scramble, but we're going to try anyways. Okay, it was a bad scramble until I got every single F2L pair out there. For some of you, you know what that is. Oops. I'm just going to use it. What the heck is that bullet? I got a star. Okay. I'm going to need a shock, maybe 2. And I hit a banana. Wait, we've kind of caught up to the pack. Let's stop for 2 items here. Okay. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on, extend. Okay, we're going up. We're gonna... oh my gosh, there's a blue shell. Oh my gosh. No! I got third, bro! Oh my gosh, that's exactly how I want the race to go, though. Okay, the chances I win on this one are probably 0. Probably. Come on. Did we get disconnect? Nope, no disconnection. Exactly what I want. I messed up that cube solve so hard, but then I got saved by an OLL skip. Ooh, no. Oops. I accidentally used this golden, which is surprisingly not that good. Not that bad, I mean. Why can't I take that turn? Maybe it's the combo that I'm using. Come on. Okay. I solved the cube in time. We got a blue shell. That's actually not bad. Wow, we went off the track. I should have turned on smart steering. It's actually not that bad, though. Ah. Not the best. But that track also is just basically impossible to come back on, so I'm not too worried about it. Beautiful. That's how it should go. Come on. Whew. I accidentally used that, but that's alright. I mean, we need the speed anyways. We kind of just need to play well now. Maybe target shock a few people. Get a couple coins here. Okay, that was many coins. Exactly how many I wanted. Okay, we can't even go for these item boxes because this golden mushroom will last way too long. I'm just gonna use it. That's alright. Okay, we're gonna get an item. Is it gonna extend? I don't know. Get away from... No way. It's okay. We're in the pack. Getting hit is not immediate... What do you call it? Immediate death where we're gonna lose, you know? Definitely possible to come back. Watch out for this guy. I'm just gonna use a golden. Plus the next item. Said there's a blue shell. This guy has a blue shell. Okay. Just don't get hit by the blue shell. There we go. We got the items. Okay, we got 3 shrooms. I got an item. Please be a shock here. I wouldn't mind it. I'm gonna... Ooh, that's actually not bad either. Let's get our coins back up. Okay, we're gonna slow down. Make sure not to fall off either. Okay, definitely winnable. The pack is close. First place is close. We may... Oh, what the heck? My drift didn't work. That's not good. No, I am not falling off. I'll play it from the back further if you need. Come on, game. More mushrooms? I don't need more mushrooms. But let's see. Everyone's so close. Maybe another shock. Only mushrooms? More mushrooms. Oh my gosh. Bro, what is this? I think I need to go... I need to chain items. More mushrooms. More mushrooms! Okay, well, that one wasn't even my fault. I didn't play terribly. I just got only mushrooms. Okay. Surely that doesn't get me disconnected, right? There we go. Okay. It's possible. That's what I like. I don't care about probable. Well, I do care about probable, but for now, I'll take possible. So one thing I've been noticing... Oh my gosh, we got the shock. One thing I've been noticing is that I try to come back too early. But if you actually focus... I'm gonna focus. If you actually worry about coming back, I mean, we've been easily coming back, and it hasn't even been that hard. 15 seconds is not that long. So basically what my point is I should really just focus on getting good items once I finish the Rubik's Cube solve. I'm just gonna go this way and then use the bullet. This way is much faster. Okay. Let's hold our drift a bit long. Get the double item box. Ooh, we got a blue shell. I don't like that fire, but we're gonna go. Okay. We're just gonna throw that. We got triple bananas. Ah, don't hit me with your triple greens. Oh my gosh, how did we not? Okay. Wait, we gotta let this guy. There we go. Oh, that Yoshi's far though. Oh, we got a shroom. Oh my gosh. Come on. No, second. Why couldn't you have used your second ritual earlier, Diddy Kong? Come on, Luke. Come on, man. So close. Come on. Okay. Okay, not bad. I thought it was a terrible start to the cube solve, but it ended up being not so bad. And now we just have to stay in it. So I was doing terribly. I am doing terribly. So many mistakes. I thought of turning smart steering on, but I also decided, like, that's not that hype anymore. We've been invincible so long. Okay. There's a blue shell. I have to. Oh no, man. I completely lost where the track was going. I pressed home. Well, there we go. That's it. We got 11th. Hooray. Okay, definitely not a bad scramble. Definitely possible. Come on. Let's focus up here. Boom. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. We were able to solve it. That's all that matters. Now we just gotta hope for a tiny bit of luck. Not even a lot of luck. Just a tiny bit. That's all I need. And also good driving. Like, of course luck is important. You know, how many shocks, how many bullets I could get. But what's more important is my ability to actually perform well and not fall off. Oh, we got the shock. Let's burn this golden before the item set. Okay. Let's hold this a little bit. Because I want to... Oh, and a star. You know why I like this? Because I could chain into the set. Okay. Exactly how I wanted it to go. Now we have a star and a boo. Oh my gosh. The pack is right here. This could get stolen. Wait, no, it can't get stolen. Oh, wait, I gotta use it though. Because there could only be one boo in play at a time. So there's no possible... Let's swerve. Oh my gosh, that was a good swerve. There's no possible way it could get stolen. Because there's only one boo in play at a time. And we have protection. I have to use it. Now we got a mushroom though. Let's stay in the air. I didn't trick, but not bad. Come on, come on, come on. This guy got another boomerang. No, they hit me again. A blue shell. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, they almost hit me with the boomerang again, but they missed it. Let's go. Let's go. I did it. What a turn of events. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I did that. This person, that's what you get for boomeranging me. Oh my gosh. Although, technically, if they didn't boomerang me, I still had a mushroom. I could have dodged. What if we tried for 2 in a row? Let's try it. Let's try for 2 in a row. We might as well. Okay, wait, we got the track. Let's focus up here. What if we get 2 in a row? That would be perfect. Okay, let's make it 2 in a row. Come on. This is a bagging track. It's possible. Starting in first, by the way. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, we got the solve. We got the solve. All that's next is get the win. Look at how far behind we are. But this is such a bagging track, it barely matters. Let's get two in a row. We're gonna take this shortcut. I know I need coins. There are two right there. Let's get these coins. I got a golden. I think I should just burn it before the set. I got another golden. Let's burn this as well. No, let's not burn it. Okay, not bad. We'll bullet. We'll get this item. I don't think I bagged hard enough. Let's just stop. Let's just stop. That Peach is getting away. Peachette, I think. Okay. We're gonna be invincible for a while. Come on. There's a blue shell. Oh, I shock dodge! I shock dodge! Two times in a row! Bro! I cannot believe I did it two times in a row! Oh my god! Bro. Okay, 15 seconds isn't a lot. But the amount of luck that that takes... Do I try for a third time or do I just accept? I'm just gonna accept it. I can't believe I went so long without being able to do it. And then I did it two times in a row. Anyways, that was solving a Rubik's Cube. I can't even think right now. That was solving a Rubik's Cube before I even started moving and winning the game. And I made it a 2 times winning streak, even though the bullet dropped me off right into a banana. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Oh, that's relieving. Now feel free to enjoy this short compilation of some of the times I got disconnected. Yeah. Yeah. No, man. No. Wow, what? That was a very fast communication error. Okay. No! What do you mean? No. No. And those were just some of the examples. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.